Ask a chatbot what time it is. It can't really tell you. It has no clock to check. So how does an AI check a real order or book an actual flight? It has to reach outside itself. This is the moment your AI feature touches the real world. Live data, real actions. And how you describe each tool is a spec you're writing. Make it vague, and that's a real bug. Picture a manager at a desk. She's sharp. She knows the business cold. But she can't leave her chair. She can't walk to the records room. She can't touch the payment system. She just sits and thinks. What she can do is write a request slip and hand it to a runner. The runner fetches things for her. That slip has a name. It's a tool call, and the whole setup is called tool calling. Down the hall is a row of counters. Each one has a sign. Records, payments, shipping. A question lands on her desk. Has invoice 88 been paid? She can't check it herself, so she reads the signs, picks the payments counter, and writes 88 on its form. The runner carries the slip over. The counter does the real work. Back comes a stamped answer. Paid March 3rd. Now she reads that and writes the reply to the customer. Here's the part people miss. The manager never walked to the counter. The runner did. So the model itself never really acts. It only ever fills out slips. Your code is what actually runs them. Let's walk one all the way through. A user asks, "Where's my order?" The model writes a slip. Your code runs the lookup. The answer comes back. Then the model writes the reply. The model wrote one slip. Your code did the real lookup. The friendly reply at the end? That's the model again. So here's your first move. Write the sign, not just the label. The model picks a counter by reading its sign. That's the description, and nothing else. A vague sign sends the runner to the wrong window. So don't just write "get data." Say what it does and when to use it. Second move. Say what's required and who's allowed to act. The form fields are your inputs. And a counter that really sends email needs a guard in your code, not the model's goodwill. So keep it simple. The model decides, your code does the doing. A tool call is just a well-labeled request slip, so label it well. Next up, what's actually inside one of those slips?